Dear students, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn about equivalent fractions in fractions and decimal circle. So what is the equivalent fractions? The equivalent fractions arise when we multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number. Once again children, the equivalent fractions arise when we multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number. So it is called equivalent fractions. One fraction has a numerator and denominator. For example, I take 1 by 2. I take 1 by 2. What is the equivalent? When we multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number. So 1 is called numerator, 2 is called denominator. Multiplied into 5 into 5. Here given same number by the same number. That's why take same number. Which number? 5, 5. So 1 5 are 5, 2 5 are 10. 2 5 are 10. So 5 by 10. This 5 by 10 is a equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. 1 by 2. That I take same number 1 by 2. Now I take 6 into 6 into 6. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. This 6 by 12 also equivalent to 1 by 2. For example, I take one more fraction, that fraction of 5 by 10. 5 by 10. Multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. That means I take 7, 7. 5 7 are 35, by 10 7 are 70. This 30 by 5 by 70 is the equivalent fraction of 5 by 10. Again, 5 by 10, I take now 9 into 9. 5 9 are 45, by 10 9 are 90. This 45 by 90 is also equivalent of 5 by 10. So it is the information about equivalent fractions. Now I am going to take lowest form of a fraction. Lowest form of a fraction. Lowest form of a fraction. For example, I take what is the other name of lowest form in standard form or simplest form. Two words are there equal of lowest form. That means standard form or simplest form or lowest form. These are words are equal. For example, I take 10 by 20. 10 by 20. So 10 by 20. 10 and 20 both are multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. So it is divided by 2 and it is divided by also 2. 10 divided by 2 how much? We getting 5. 20 divided by 2 how much? We getting 10. Now 5 and 10. These numbers both are multiples of 5. Now divided by 5, divided by 5. We getting 5 divided by 5, 1. 10 divided by 5, 2. So 1 by 2. Here numerator is 1, denominator is 2. So it has no common factors. It has a numerator and denominator has no common factors. So it is called lowest form or standard form or simplest form. When the fraction has no common factors, that fractions are called lowest form or simplest form or standard form of a fractions. Clear children? One more example I take. 27 by 56. 27 by 56. One subject 27 and 56. 27, it is a multiple of 9. 56. 54 I take. So 54. It is a multiple of 9. 27 is a multiple of 9 and 54 also multiple of 9. So it is divided by 9. It is divided by 9. We get a 27 divided by 9. What is the answer? 3. 3 9s are 27. 6 9s are 54. So 6. Now answer 3 and 6. Both are multiples of 3. It has common factor. It has a one common factor. What is that? 3. 3 divided by 3. Here 6 divided by 3. So we get a 3 divided by 3. 1. 6 divided by 3. 2. One subject. 1, 2. It has no common factors. It is a lowest form of a lowest form, or simplest form, or standard form. Okay, children? Now, I explain to you like and unlike fractions. Like and unlike. Like and unlike fractions. Like and unlike. So what is the like and what is the unlike? For example, 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 7 by 2, 9 by 2, 10 by 2. 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 7 by 2, 9 by 2, 10 by 2. So these are all fractions. Here denominator 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. All are 2. All denominators are same. So a fractional number having denominators are same, all denominators are same. So that type of fractions are called like fractions. Which fractions, children? Like fractions. Some fractional numbers having all denominators are same. So it is the fractions are called like fractions. So these are what, children? Like fractions. Like fractions. What is the unlike fractions? What is the unlike fractions? 10 by 7, 9 by 6, 10 by 3, 11 by 4, 15 by 9. 10 by 7, 9 by 6, 10 by 3, 11 by 4, 15 by 9. One subject here, denominator 7, 6, 3, 4, 9. All are different. So denominators are not same. That means denominators are all are not same. So it is called what, children? Unlike fractions. Denominators are same. It is called like. Denominators are not same. It is called what, children? Unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Clear? Now I am going to take exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. First one, which group of fractions are like fractions among the following? Among the following. First problem, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7. Second group, 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 4 by 9. Third group, 3 by 7, 4 by 9, 7 by 11. First group, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7. Denominators 7, 7, 7. All are same. So this group, like fraction group. Like fractions. Like fractions. 9, 9, 9. All are same. Denominators are same. So it is also like fractions. Third one, 3 by 7, 4 by 9, 7 by 11. Here 7, 9, 11. All are not same. So unlike fractions. First group like fractions, second group like fractions, third group unlike fractions. Second problem, write 5 groups of like fractions. You have to make the 5 groups of like fractions. It is a second problem in exercise 7.2. 5 groups like fractions. 5 groups of like fractions. First group, I take denominator 2. 7 by 2, 9 by 2, 4 by 2, 10 by 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. So this group is a like. Next second one, I take denominator now 7, 10 by 7, 15 by 7, 1 by 7, 17 by 7. 7, 7, 7, 7. All are same. Now third problem, 21 by 9, 31 by 9, 41 by 9, 61 by 9, 71 by 9. All are same. It is a third group. Now I am going to write the fourth group. Now denominator I take 15, 10 by 15, 17 by 15, 27 by 15, 11 by 15, 100 by 15. So these are all same, denominators are same. Now I am going to write the fifth group. 11 by 6, 9 by 6, 1 by 6, 10 by 6. All are same. So it is a example groups of like fractions. Third one, from each of these identify like fractional numbers. From each of these identify like fractional numbers. So you better to take this problem, have to take homework. It is very simple. Some fractions are given. You identify the denominators. You take like fractions or unlike fractions. Okay. Now I am going to take ascending and descending order fractions. Ascending and descending order of fractions. Ascending and descending. So what is the ascending? From small to big. You can arrange the given numbers small to big. So it is called ascending. What is the descending? From big to small, we have to arrange that numbers. It is called descending order. For example, in fractions, 1 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7, 5 by 7. Once observe here, denominators are same. It is a like fraction. Now we can take the numerators 1, 3, 2, 5. When we have to arrange the ascending order and descending order for given all fractions may know. They are given like fractions, that time only we have to arrange the ascending order, descending order. When they are given unlike fractions, they are given, but we don't can arranging in the ascending order and descending order. That unlike fractions should convert into like fractions. So that then we have to arrange in the ascending order and the descending order. So here 7, 7, 7, 7. All are 7. Denominators are same. So it is called unlike like fractions. Now we can arrange in the ascending order or descending order based on numerators. So 1, 3, 2, 7. First take 1 by 7. Ascending order. This is ascending order. A dot O mean what, children? Ascending order. 1 by 7. After that 2 by 7. Based on numerator. Why? Because denominators are same. It is called like fractions. Now take 3 by 7. 5 by 7. This is the ascending order. D dot O mean descending order. Reverse. 5 by 7 greater than 3 by 7 greater than 2 by 7 greater than 1 by 7. This is the first problem answer. Now second problem. 1 by 9, 13 by 9, 11 by 9, 5 by 9. 1 by 9, 13 by 9, 11 by 9, 5 by 9. So denominators 9. Now we can arrange in the ascending order or descending order. So 1 by 9 less than 5 by 9 less than 11 by 9 less than 13 by 9. It is a ascending order. Now descending order. Reverse. 13 by 9 greater than 11 by 9 greater than 5 by 9 greater than 1 by 9. So it is a descending order. When it is possible, the given like fractions, it is possible to arranging the ascending order and descending order. When it is not possible to arranging in ascending order, descending order, unlike fractions. On that time, we what have to do? You can arranging in the unlike fractions, so should convert into like fractions. Clear? Now comparing unlike fractions. Now should comparing the unlike fractions. Comparing unlike fractions. For example, compare 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. Compare means which is bigger and which is smaller. Now take 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. Once observe here, denominator here 5 in 2 by 3 denominator is 3. Both are not equal. Both fractions are unlike fractions. Now these two unlike fractions should convert into like fractions. So before what you have to do you have to find the LCM of denominators. That means LCM of 5 and 3. LCM of 3 and 5. So take 3 and 5. Once observe here children, 3, 5. Both are which numbers? Odd numbers and prime numbers. So 3 is a prime number and 5 also a prime number. What is the prime number definition? A number having only one and itself common factors, that numbers are called prime numbers. It has two factors, one and itself. 5 also has two factors, one and itself. So they common, no common factors. So take 3 one time, 5, 5 one time. So 3 5s are 15. So equal to 15. So what is the LCM of 3 and 5 children? This is the 15. 15. Now take 3 by 5. 5 in 15, how many times? This denominator in 15 in LCM, how many times divisible? 3 times. Into numerator, into denominator. Now bring down 2 by 3. Now this denominator 3 in 15, 5 times divisible. 3 3s are 9 by 5 3s are 15. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. It's not visible. Here 3 3s are how many children? Here 9 by 5 3s are 15. 2 5s are 10 by 3 5s are 15. Now you can observe here 15 15 both are equal, denominators are equal. Now you can take numerator. Here 9, here 10. So 9 is less than the 10. That means 9 by 10 less than the 10 by 15. So what is the original fraction of equivalent fraction of 9 by 15? What is the equivalent fraction of 9 by 15? 3 by 5. What is the equivalent fraction of 10 by 15? That is 2 by 3. Now we have to say 3 by 5 less than the 2 by 3. So 3 by 5 is less than the 2 by 3. That is the comparing of the unlike fractions. This is the process of comparing unlike fractions. Next, write the following in descending order of unlike fractions. How to arranging in the ascending order or descending order of the unlike fractions. Same process, you compare it. You have to find the LCM and you should convert into the like fractions. For example, 1 by 6, 2 by 3, 3 by 9, 5 by 6. Now you can arrange in the ascending order or descending order. Once observe all the given fractions. 1 by 6, 2 by 3, 3 by 9, 5 by 6. Once observe denominator 6 to 3, 9, 6 are different. So it is unlike fractions. Now you can find the LCM. And that means you should convert into the like fractions. So LCM of 6, 3, 9, 6 equal to here, we do here 6, 3, 9, 6. Now take the two table. In 6, 3 times, bring down 3 y because it's not divisible by 2, 9, 3. Now take 3, 1 time, 3 times, 1 time. Now take 3, 1 time, 1 time. So 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. What is the LCM? 18. So LCM of 6, 3, 9, 6 equal to 18. Now bring down 1 by 6. Now you should convert into equivalent fractions. 6 in 18, 3 times, 3 times. Now take 2 by 3. This 3 in 18, 6 times divisible. Now bring down 3 by 9. This 9 in 18, 3 times divisible. Now bring down 5 by 6. 6 in 19, 3 times divisible. 1 3s are 3, 6 3s are 18. 2 6s are 12, 3 6s are 18. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18. 3 by 18, 12 by 18, 9 by 27, 15 by 18. Now can arrange in the ascending order. What is the ascending order? From small to big. So you can take the numerators. 3 less than 3 by 18 less than 9 by 2 here 2 times here 9 in 18 2 times so here 2 3 2s are 6 9 2s are here 8 here one mistake is there man this 9 in 18 2 times only So here 80. This is the 3 2s are 6, 9 2s are 18. After that 6 by 18 less than, after that 12 by 18, 15 by 18, 15 by 18. That the equivalent fractions of this 3 by 18, 1 by 6 less than 6 by 18, the 6 by 18, 3 by 9, 12 by 18, that is second fraction 2 by 3. The last one 15 by 18, that means 5 by 6. 5 by 6, it is a ascending order. Now descending order. This is the ascending order. Now descending order. It's not visible. Here. Descending order. Reverse. 5 by 6. Greater than 2 by 3. Greater than 3 by 9. Greater than 1 by 6. It is a descending order. Clear? Thank you, children. In next class, I will explain to you addition of fractions and subtraction of fractions. Exercise 7.3 problems I will explain to you. Okay, children? Thank you. Thank you very much. Today class is done.